Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem seat reservation manager. So design a system that manages the seat state of n seats that are numbered from 1 to n. Implement the seat manager class which has a constructor of seat manager given a number of seat n. Initialize a seat manager object that will manage n seats numbered from 1 to n. All seats are initially available. And there is a one method int reserve, so that will call when we want to reserve a seat, and that method reserve the smallest number which is unreserved in our all these available seats, and reserves it and return its number. Similarly, second method is we can unreserve the seat by passing the seat number. So here is the class, we have to design it. This is our constructor and the reserve method and the unreserved method. So let's understand this by the example given over here. So first we are calling the constructor by allowing like n is equal to 5. So we have total 5 seats like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have total 5 seats numbered from 1 to n. Now what is happening? First we are calling reserve. So as the reserve method definition, we have to reserve whenever reserve the minimum number of the available seats. So on the first reserve, as you can see, all the seats are available. So we will reserve this seat. This seat got reserved. Reserved seat number 1 is got reserved. Again we call reserved again. So now the minimum seat number which is available, which is 2. So we will reserve this one. Now the third method call is unreserved and the seat number pass is 2. So what we will do? We will unreserve it. So this will be get unreserved and now it is available. Then we are again calling reserve, then we can allow 2, then we are calling again reserve, allow 3, then the available is 4. So this is how, and another reserve, we have fifth reserve which is the fifth one, and the last we are calling unreserved the seat number 5. So we can unreserve it. So this is how we can manage. So one of the brute force solution, you can create a array of n plus 1 seat, like because array is 0 index base. Then every time you can start from 1 and check which seat is available. So whichever you found, you can take a boolean array, and whenever you are reserving the array, we can take a boolean array, and whenever we are reserving a seat, we can fill it as a true and otherwise default value which is false, and when we unreserve, we will mark it as a false. So we can every time for every call of reserve method, we can call like go it through it and see which seat is first available. When we found the first seat which is available, so as we are starting from 1 to, we are scanning from the seat number 1 and going up to n. So we just return it because the minimum, we are searching available seats from the minimum number itself. So this is the one idea. Now if you see the time complexity of this method reserve, in that case will be O of n, and the unreserved is O of 1, as we are just directly go to that seat number and mark it as false, and constructor is just O of 1, we just need to initialize. So this is the one solution. So let's say if we need to optimize our reserve method as well, so how we can do it? As you can see in the problem, we have to return always the minimum seats which is available. So which data structure is best fit when we need to find out the minimum among possible numbers, which is heap, min heap. So we will use the min heap to solve this problem. So for min heap, what we will do? We first add all the seats which are available. So from seat number 1 to n, we add all into our min heap. So in Java, we can use priority queue, which is implementation of the min heap. So we can use this and add all the seats like 1, 2 until n. These initially, when we initializing our seat manager state, these seats are available. Now whenever we call the reserve method, in that case we just poll the first element and remove from here because it got reserved. So if in first it is available, we remove 1. If second call come reserve, we will remove it. So this is how the reserve work, and in case of unreserved, we add this seat number into our priority queue again, and that will be resized, like re-heapify and all everything. The minimum seat number available will come on the top itself. So this is the another solution. Now what will be the time complexity of the second solution? So the constructor will take O of n as the initialization, and this reserve method. In reserve method, every step we are just doing O of log of n time. This will take log of n, and similarly unreserved will take log of n time. So, this is the idea here. So, let us implement this code using the priority queue. So, the array one I am not implementing, as it is very straightforward. So, you can try to implement yourself, and if you face any issues you can let me know in the comment section. So, let us say these are the seats, and now initialize the seats from the new, let us copy paste it. Now, for int I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to n, I plus plus. Now, add the available seats dot add, or we can do offer into the main heap, which is seats like the I. Once this done, we, in case of reserve, we just return the seats dot poll, the minimum whatever is available on the top, and in this case we just add seats dot offer, again the seat number which we need to unreserve it. So, this is how. Let us compile the code, and it is getting compiled. We can submit this code. As we are not checking here empty check, because in the constraint it is given that, as it you can see it got accepted, and it is given that like all the reserve method are valid, all the reserve method call are valid. So, this is the one idea. Another way we can implement this, instead of priority queue we can use tree set and tree map as well, because in tree set, so let me just change here, you need to change this tree set and initialize our seeds from the tree set itself, and that's it. And here instead of polling this tree set provide, and here we need to use add method. So, we can add all the available seed into the tree set, and now tree set sort this key available seed in a sorted order. So, in the reserve method we just need to remove the first. So, this is like there is a method poll first that will remove the first key and return as well. So, let us compile this code now. This need to be changed, add. So, it will come, yeah. So, let us recompile it. So, tree set and tree map is also very good data structure, which will help in solving lots of ordered map problems in Java. We can use them as a handy. So, if you are not aware of, you can see the documentation and at least know the basic method functionality provided. So, this is the solution, and the space complexity of all of the solution is O of n, as we are storing all the seat number into our one of the data structure. So, if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.